everyone, it's me Terry of the Yarnjoy podcast. Welcome to VEDA Day 21. Happy Monday, everybody. So today's Monday, start of a new week. And so for today's video, I thought I would kind of not exactly take you along, but I kind of show you like before and after of my messy craft room. It was getting pretty out of control. I just wanted to spruce it up a little bit. And so I will now put the clips in that show you kind of before and after of the room. So here's the clips. And then I will come back after the clips and sign off. Okay. Enjoy. Okay, so I'm starting at the doorway. Sorry, I've got the laundry going in the back. I didn't even think about it before I started running it. But I will come in and shut the door, and hopefully it won't be loud. Anyway, I just wanted to show you what it looks like from the entry. It is a mess again. So let's go ahead and go into this jungle. And not jungle. It's not bad. I mean, it's been a lot worse. But let's go ahead and let's step inside, and I will shut the door. And we'll take a look at the areas that I want to work on today. So I come inside and I shut the door. You still might be able to hear it, but maybe not as bad. Anyway, so here is my mess. Yeah, I've got that table over there that I've got stuff piled on, and of course there's stuff in the floor, extra things that I don't need to have in the floor. Let me move you over here and see around the corner. See that? Yeah, and then of course there's my ironing board there that has stuff on it. I still haven't given that Care Bear gift. I need to get that's one of the things I need to do is go look at my gift bag stash and see if I have a baby gift bag and go ahead and package that up. That one, and also the robot and astronaut blanket. Anyway, there is my temperature blanket supplies, and I'm proud to say that I did get caught up on that last night. And of course, there is where I filmed my tutorials on that black fabric there on my desk. And I have my colors out for my Maya bag, among other things piled up there. Yep. Stuff in the chair. Some of it's just yarn that needs to be put back up, you know, where it's supposed to go. Yarn that I used and I'm finished with the project. There, those blue boxes right there are my works in progress and my sleeping whips, you know, like my Finish It Friday projects. A lot of those are that I draw from, and I keep them over there when I am not working on that currently. Okay. So yeah, it's just a bunch of stuff piled in the floor. And there I have that is my scrap yarn and some fiber fill. But that's my scrap yarn container, one of them, the big balls. And I just have them sitting on top of my trash can, so I can't even get to my trash can. That's silly. So I need to put that over and under that table. There's another shelf under there. That's where I usually have it. And there's the under the sea blanket. I need to do something with that. I've got boxes of puzzles under there. I need to do something with that. So there is the overview. I will check back in a little bit and we will see what I got done. Okay, here's what it's looking like so far. I did clean off that table there and put some more stuff on it. But it's a little bit more organized. I mean, this is a workroom, you know. So that's okay with me. Put up the ironing board, as you can see. My husband, he fixed that little contraption so that I can attach it to the wall. So I did find a gift bag for the Care Bear and the baby girl blanket, and I packaged that up. I did not have a gift bag for the blue astronaut blanket and the robot, so I'll have to go by Dollar Tree sometime and pick one up. But it's looking a lot better. Now I still have the desk over here that is a mess, see? So I think I'm going to tackle that next. Stay tuned. Okay, so I just got my desk cleaned off. I mean, you know, it's not perfect, but it looks a whole lot better than it did. That is just the yarn I left on there that I'm working on or using from my Maya bag. So, yeah, I think it looks a whole lot better than it did. Not perfect, just a little spruce up. Let me zoom out a little bit. There's my desk over there with my in-progress projects. Yeah. Okay, so let's have a chat. So there was my before and after of my craft room. Like I said, I didn't spend a whole lot of time. I straightened it up pretty quickly, and yeah, I just gave it a little spruce up. It's not perfect, but I think it looks a whole lot better. Looks a lot roomier in here instead of like walking around a few things. So anyway, how's everybody doing today? I hope that you are having a great Monday and that you will have a great week this upcoming week. What am I going to be working on? Well, I finished the Crafting with Friends project. I need to weave in a couple of ends, I think. And I was thinking was going to put a border on it, but I don't think so. I think it looks good just like it is. So I don't think I'm going to put a border after all. So I will lay it out, take a picture of it, you know, all that, and I will show it to you on Wednesday. That will be the Crafting with Friends reveal. And so since I am finished with that project, that means that I will be picking 2 new projects. I think they're both going to be amigurumis, but 2 new projects, and well, I think I've already got them picked. So you will be voting on those 2 projects as far as which one I will make first. Okay. Anyway, that's what I think I'm going to do. I know for sure one of them is an amigurumi-ish thing. And then the other one, there's another one I've been wanting to make, and I was thinking I would add that one as the second item, unless I can think of something else. But anyway, you'll find out on Wednesday for Crafting with Friends. So I'm excited that I finished that project. Yay. I did work on the Pac-Man blanket. I intend to work on it some more today, get some more rows done on it. I definitely want to try to get it before Thursday. I want to get it where I am decreasing. So I'm almost to that point. So yeah, I should be able to show that on Thursday. Let's see, what else? I need to start working on the Finish It Friday project. I haven't started working on that yet, so I think I'll work on that today. And I'm not sure. What's for dinner? I don't know. I'm thinking it's going to be some sort of chicken, but I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it yet. My son is coming over, and he comes over usually on Mondays after work, but before he goes to school. He has class on Monday evenings. He's studying to be an electrician. So right now he's an electrician apprentice. And so the school is part of his work. And so he usually comes over here and gets something to eat before he has to then leave to go to class, because where we live is closer. It would be farther for him to go to where he's living and then turn around just within 30-40 minutes and then have to go, back across to where his school is. And so he comes by here and visits with us a little bit and gets grabs something to eat, and then he goes. And so I have some stuff in there that he can eat. That's, but I'm not sure what we're going to be eating for sure. Okay. But yeah, this evening I think I'll work on the Knit Corner to Corner, which is the Finish It Friday project, and probably work on the Pac-Man blanket in just a little bit, do some more rows on that, and I'm not sure. I've got things I need to work on, so I'll let you know tomorrow on Tuesday for VEDA Day 22, and I'll let you know what I did end up working on for today. Tomorrow is, like I said, VEDA Day 22. It will also be another Tuesday Talks with Terri, so I'll answer some more questions, and we'll have a probably longer visit. I don't know how, this has kind of been filming in little clips, so I'm not sure exactly how long this video is going to be, but I think it's probably a short one. Anyway, that's what's going on with me today. Let me know down in the comment section how your weekend went, what you're doing, what you're working on this week. I hope you had a great Easter weekend. And yeah, I guess that's it. I'll see you again tomorrow for VEDA Day 22, okay? And we'll have a visit, probably longer chat then. Okay, have a great evening, great Monday. See you tomorrow in the next video. Bye.